We're going to solve problem 4-90. Two couples act on a frame. If D equals 4, determine the resulting couple moment. Compute the result by resolving the force in x and y components. A, finding the moment couple of each, and B, summing the moments of all forces about B. So in part A, we're going to find the moment from this one and the moment from this one and add them together. Part B, we're going to take each force times the distance for all four and find the moment about B. Now we know we're going to get the same answer because a couple creates a moment that is the same everywhere. And so we will get the same answer. Let's start by breaking down these forces then. Here we have a 60. We have a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So 60 divided by 5 is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. And 12 times 3 is 36. I'm looking at this 30-degree angle. So the bottom is going to be the cosine of 30 times 40, which is 34.6. And the side is going to be the sine of 40, which is 20. So the moment coupled to this one is going to be 48, the force, times the distance between them, which is 4. And that's causing rotation this way, which would be negative. And in this one, we're going to look at the horizontal force, because that's the one perpendicular to the distance between the two forces. And then the horizontal force then is 34, and this is going to cause rotation this way, which is positive. So positive 34.6 times the distance between 4. So that equals negative 192 plus 139, which is negative 53. Now let's do part B. So that's part A. Part B. So that horizontal force is 34.6. So this horizontal force is 34.6. And this vertical force is also 48. We don't need the vertical forces because the vertical force here is going to go through B. The vertical force here will also go through B. The horizontal force here goes through B, and the horizontal force here goes through B. So all we need is the horizontal, vertical, and vertical. So the moment is equal to 36, and that's causing positive rotation. So 34.6 times the distance of 5. This one's going to cause negative rotation. 34.6 times the distance of 1. And you can see right there that that gives us the same thing that we got in the moment, because we have the 5 minus 1 is 4. So now we have the vertical force here of 48, and that's going to cause positive rotation. And the distance there is 3. And then that one's going to cause negative rotation. So we got 48 times 7. And again, looking at both of these, the 7 minus 3 gives us the 4 that we had before. And we add all that up, and we get negative 53.